this thing sounds like.
It's gonna sound a lot different, that's for sure.
Yes. So what we're going to do is we're going to throw it on, and at the end, if we have any fitment issues or anything technical we want to go over, we'll do that at the end. If you guys are interested in purchasing any Corsa Performance parts or anything like that, or upgrades for your vehicles, Maple Grove Automotive is going to be an actual dealer for them and an installer. So hit them up, let them know that you're interested, and you can bring your vehicle here, they'll install it for you, or you can get it through them. Guys, one thing we noticed right off the bat, right away, is how awesome these instructions are. Going right from the cats, deleting the res with the res delete pipe, and then there's your muffler right there. Pretty simple, and then you got your tailpipes. Pretty simple installation. Chris, are you pumped?
I am pumped.
I'm pumped.
I'm excited for this.
Are you pumped?
I'm pumped.
Okay, so factory res is removed, muffler is removed, tailpipes are removed. We had to cut the driver's side tailpipe. Probably if we had it on a 2-post lift where the suspension was hanging, we would have been able to remove that, but we have it on the 4-post. So we did cut that one. Steve doesn't want it, we're gonna scrap it anyway. So now it's ready for install time. We are going to be using the reusing the factory gasket, like Corsa tells us to. And factory hangers as well, yep. 2 factory nuts where the res delete hooks up to the Y pipe. We're gonna reuse those nuts.
Some of the key components into Corsa's systems are premium stainless steel construction, solid stainless steel hangers, CNC rolled muffler cases, they're beautiful, no drone RSC, it's their patented reflective sound cancellation, which is awesome because, you know, some of the stock vehicles have a drone, their systems don't. Precision welds. And for you guys, you know, doing this at home, it's an easy bolt-on installation. You guys can do this in your driveway, but you're probably gonna have to cut your exhaust like we did, because if it's on the ground, you're not gonna have that extra distance with your axle, as we discussed earlier. Torca clamps and distinguished Pro Series tips. We have the satin finish. We are going to be switching over to the Cerakote black finish.
Very easy install. They did their homework on this. Corsa did a great job. Any do-it-yourselfer could do it at home. It worked out very well. It was good, great product.
But if they don't want to do it at home, they can come here.
Absolutely.
We just need to hear it now, guys. We just need to hear it. Oh, man! Corsa sound, dude.
Very quiet idle.
Inside,
idle. Yeah. It's got that Corsa sound.
Sounds really good.
It does.
What a difference.
Huge difference. And no drone.
And no drone. Well, we're going to test it out on the road.
Test the drone.
We're going to test that for the end of this video. But yeah, it looks good.
Yep, sounds great.
Nope. Well, let's check out the before and the after footage so you guys can see the difference. Boy, is there a difference. About 45 now. Still nice and quiet. Nothing abnormal. No drone, no nothing. Very, very happy with this exhaust. I'm gonna do a little pull up a little incline just to give you guys a little sound sample from the interior. Sounds so good. God, so much better. Give you a little taste of what it sounds like stock inside the interior. I'm gonna punch it. We're gonna go take it up to about 55. There we go, 55. Cerakote exhaust tips. They are sick.
Oh, they look real good.
It looks really good.
Oh, I like
Definitely, you definitely need to go, if you have a black truck, you definitely need to go with Corsa Cerakote black tips for sure.
that. Oh, I like them.